Welcome back to Test and Quiz, the ultimate hub for tests and quizzes.
Welcome to the Australian Citizenship Practice Test. This is mock test 3, focusing on our common bond. You'll be answering 20 questions to test your knowledge. You must answer all 5 Australian values questions correctly. You need to score at least 75% overall to pass. Are you ready? Let's begin the test. What is the significance of the Southern Cross on the Australian national flag? A. Represents the unity of the Australian states. B. Represents the stars visible in the Southern Hemisphere. C. Represents the British heritage. The correct answer is represents the stars visible in the Southern Hemisphere. Which of the following religious or cultural practices is illegal in Australia? A. Praying in a religious building. B. Polygamy, being married to more than one person at the same time. C. Fasting for religious reasons. The correct answer is polygamy, being married to more than one person at the same time. Which institutions were established by the Australian Constitution? A. The Parliament and the High Court of Australia. B. The Prime Minister's Office. C. State governments. The correct answer is the Parliament and the High Court of Australia. Which city is the capital of Western Australia? A. Hobart. B. Perth. C. Darwin. The correct answer is Perth. What is the role of the High Court of Australia? A. To interpret and apply Australian laws. B. To create new laws. C. To oversee local council decisions. The correct answer is to interpret and apply Australian laws. What is the core value that underpins Australia's democratic system? A. Freedom of speech. B. Freedom to own property. C. Freedom to bear arms. The correct answer is freedom of speech. What is freedom of association? A. The right to form and join associations to pursue common goals. B. The right to associate only with family. C. The right to avoid all associations. The correct answer is the right to form and join associations to pursue common goals. Which of the following statements is true about religious laws in Australia? A. Religious laws have the same legal status as Australian laws. B. Religious laws have no legal status in Australia. C. Religious laws apply to those who choose to follow them. The correct answer is religious laws have no legal status in Australia. What else is taxed besides income? A. Many goods and services. B. Only luxury items. C. Only imported goods. The correct answer is many goods and services. What happens if there is a conflict between an Australian law and a religious practice? A. It depends on the religion. B. The religious practice prevails. C. Australian law prevails. The correct answer is Australian law prevails. What is the Australian Constitution? A. A legal document that sets the basic rules for the government of Australia. B. A collection of historical stories about Australia. C. A document written by the Prime Minister. The correct answer is a legal document that sets the basic rules for the government of Australia. When did the Australian Constitution come into effect? A. The 25th of April 1915. B. The 26th of January 1788. Circa the 1st of January 1901. The correct answer is the 1st of January 1901. Which city is the capital of Queensland? A. Perth. B. Brisbane. C. Adelaide. The correct answer is Brisbane. What are the two houses of the Australian Parliament? A. House of Representatives and Senate. B. House of Commons and House of Lords. C. Legislative Assembly and Executive Council. The correct answer is House of Representatives and Senate. Which city is the capital of South Australia? A. Adelaide. B. Canberra. C. Melbourne. The correct answer is Adelaide. What is Australia's official national religion? A. Christianity. B. Australia has no official national religion. C. Islam. The correct answer is Australia has no official national religion. How does the Australian government treat people of different religions? A. It gives priority to certain religions. B. It treats all citizens equally, regardless of their religion or beliefs. C. It bans some religious practices. The correct answer is it treats all citizens equally, regardless of their religion or beliefs. What does freedom of religion mean in Australia? A. You can follow any religion or no religion at all. B. You must follow a religion. C. Only Christians have freedom of religion. The correct answer is you can follow any religion or no religion at all. What must be followed in Australia if religious laws conflict with national laws? A. Religious laws. B. Australian laws. C. It depends on the person's beliefs. The correct answer is Australian laws. Which city is the capital of Victoria? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Brisbane. The correct answer is Melbourne.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And practice more tests from our playlists.